Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is September the 22nd, and we're going to be showing you here how to clean up your sweet potato tails and how to cook your sweet potatoes. So these have already been pre-soaked to get most of the dirt off of them, and then they were rinsed, and now we're soaking them again, and my mom is using the vegetable brush on them to get the remaining dirt off of them. One of the reasons why we like growing sweet potatoes in containers versus actually growing them in the ground is we find that they're a lot easier to clean. I mean, you still have to try and get the dirt out of all the little twists and turns in the sweet potatoes, but one year we did actually grow them in the ground, and they were so dirty and messy versus what was growing in the container that we just started growing all of our sweet potatoes in containers. So what we're going to do then is, after we have these all cleaned up, is anything that won't fit in the kettle that we're going to be using will get cut down, and then we're going to put them in water, and we're going to cook them until they're nice and tender. And your cooking time will vary depending on how large or small your sweet potato tubers are. I know some of the larger sweet potatoes, they can take a while to cook them to get them tender. But what we'll do is when you can prick them with a fork and they're nice and tender, then that's when they're done. And you can also steam these too. We've done that already. We've steamed them already, and they came out really good that way. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.